Django Virtual Field, set value of a property from a virtual field. I'm trying to understand the internals of Django model fields to implement a new feature on Django HStore. Basically, I want to create virtual fields from an HStore dictionary which has a predefined schema. As a first step, I'd like hide the actual HStore dictionary field and use instead the value present in the virtual fields to compose the final HStore dictionary. I've been able to make the admin work properly for all actions except for the save action, which does not save the value of the virtual field into the HStore dictionary. Here's my actual virtual field code. Models.py, just prototyping. I thought save_form_data would do the trick, but that's not true. In the Django docs, I found the subfield-based metaclass section in the custom model fields page, which looks like what I need. Is it that the right path to follow? Is there any example to study? Anyone can provide an example of how to set the value of the key number of the HStore field data and store it in the database? From there I think I know how to go ahead. Thanks.
The right answer was to use Python descriptors. The implemented solution is here. This URL. This feature was originally developed for an open source project called NodeShot. Here's an example implementation with the schema taken from settings.py. This URL.
E se o antes sem more, please consider subscrevendo.